and melt it in our furnace. Then we're going to extrude it into a strip, which we then blank. So at that point, it becomes round like an actual 1 ounce silver medallion. And then it will be burnished, and then we'll actually be able to strike.
I don't like the fact that when I fold the coin sometimes that I get this misshape. It kind of gives it like a loop a little bit, a little uneven. So I'm sure that the coin is slipping somehow when I use my 1-ton press, or maybe the tools that I use. But I always have to work it out at the end. So if anyone have any suggestions, let me know.